Hello, my Aquarian friends. I hope you are doing well. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. For the ones who are new here, welcome. For the ones who are rejoining, thanks a lot for your love and support. I really, really appreciate your love and support. This will be a quick prediction for August 2021. We are going to pick cards from your angels. What's your overall angel message? We are going to, towards the end, we are also going to check on spirit guides. I have 3 different tarot decks here. One is going to be for health, then the other one is going to be for finance and career, and the other one is going to be for relationship. Okay, do feel free to get in touch with me for a personal reading if you need one. If you do not need a personal reading, enjoy these free readings on my YouTube channel. Do comment, do like, do share, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so you will be alerted for the next reading. Just a little disclaimer, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave it be if it does not resonate, and we are not gender biased at this channel. Okay, so the angel message or the guidance message from the angel says within the next few months. Okay, it's a possibility that there's a significant project that you have been working on, you're waiting for some responses, answers. Yes, it is materializing within the next few months. Stay focused, stay attentive, do that. Okay, also anything that you're manifesting is there at the horizon, just there, and it's going to happen within the next few months for you. All right, in terms of health, we see the devil's card. Not a very great card, I must tell you, Aquarian friends. Okay, you really need to concentrate on your health in the month of August. Okay, either there's a lot of intoxication happening, how do I put it across? Some of you, I'm getting the message here that some of you may be going through a lot of breathlessness. So work on your breathing movement, work on your mental health, work on things that's not right for your body, your mind, your spirit. Okay, just work on that. You may be working, you may be, in a significant Capricorn energy as well. Not necessary, but for some of you, if you have it in your chart, there is something from your health that's taking away from you. It's ticking and you're not paying attention to that. So August is calling out to you to pay attention to your health. Really pay attention to your health. If you are into a lot of this, stop it. If you are intoxicating by drinking a lot of alcohol, drug abuse, substance abuse, whatever is happening, please, be careful about it. Okay, just please stay healthy. All right, start working out, meditating, yoga. In terms of career and finances, Ace of Cups, what a brilliant card. Okay, beautiful card. You have the divine's blessing here. You will be working a lot emotionally at this point in time in this month of August. There is a new beginning happening in your career for those who are waiting for a new job, new career, new project. Yes, go full on. There is a new beginning happening. Those who are already working well, to keep a check on your emotions, because you will be making a lot of emotional decisions in the month of August. So make those decisions that serves you right. Okay, really make those decisions that serves you right. If at all it's not serving you right, that's not a decision that you need to make. But overall, finance and career looks amazing for you in the month of August. Okay, now in terms of relationship, we have the Chariot card. That's nice. Some of you could be significantly moving homes, relocating. That's just off the chart. But in terms of relationship, if there was a stagnant or a stuck situation happening so far in recent past, it's going to move on. You could be dealing, some of you obviously could be dealing into a long distance relationship. So either you are going to meet this person or the person will be coming over to meet you. You can literally see the Chariot happening here. Okay. Also, success is coming your way in terms of relationship. If you're already married or into a relationship, it's a strong partnership and a great foundation. Number 7 could be significant for you. Also, you need to put a lot of self-dedication and discipline in your relationship in the month of August. That's imperative. Okay. Celebrate small successes, significant anniversaries, birthdays, all that is in the horizon. Success celebration is absolutely imperative, because you do not have to wait for the bigger picture. You know what I mean? If you can read between the lines, even wake up and make breakfast for each other, communicate with each other, like be with each other. Look at that side of the story rather than the flip side of the story that's not working well for you. Those looking for new love interest, yes, love is coming your way. So congratulations on that bit, my friend. Chariot is a good card. Those in long distance relationship, there is communication happening. Those who have been blocked by your significant partners, you could be unblocked, and maybe your misunderstanding could be resolved at this point in time. For your guidance, we have Cloak of Wisdom. Exactly, you need to get the wisdom in place. Okay, take a look at this picture. It's so divine, so surreal. You need to work. Maybe you are looking at sunshine all over. It's a beautiful card. I'm going to read this out for you. It's Kutumi. Need to work on breathing and the Om chanting, if that's possible. You already know the answer you seek. Trust what you know. So work on your intuition, because you already exactly know the answer. Okay, what seeks you is seeking you. No, what you seek is seeking you. I think that's correct. Yeah. So this is your spirit guide for the month of August. I wish you all the best. Please stay tuned to my channel, and thank you for your love and support. Until we meet next. Goodbye.